पहले डालिस को पेलो भाई, डालिस को पेलो पहले।
Telescope. And just go apotheosis at the total players.
नहीं तो नहीं तो डूम, डूम एक्चुअली डूम।
Let me just first put this. Let me do my setup for Mirror versus Oh,
डूम
wait.
भी कर दो भाई।
Uh,
अरे
how did I lose AP so fast? That was only 3.
प्लीज डोंट अटैक माय ब्रदर। What the fuck is that supposed to do? I'm doming.
Yeah, yeah,
अरे इधर डोम करके फायदा नहीं, I have to go up. I'm gonna go up.
no. Okay.
टैक्टिकल रिट्रीट कहाँ है भाई इसका? I'm gonna dome here. चलो भाई सारे बफ हो गए उसके। अरे अरे बाप रे, इसको छोड़ दो यार। Should I do? I'll dome, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Dome. Examine. Talisman, talisman. Oh, she has a lot of resistance. That's sad. Oh, there is that blood anywhere?
No. Just spawn a
Is it?
normal total for now. Spawn your incarnate in the next round.
Or I can spawn him up there. I'll do that. Focus, Mr. Talisman.
इसके ऊपर डिवर और स्मार्ट है कोई
किसके ऊपर?
कोई भी नहीं
किसके ऊपर है?
I don't see anyone with the mark.
Is this fucking bugged, bro? Don't tell me. Bro, mark नहीं दिखता. I don't know who to kill. Oh wait, wait. Fuck. I thought Divara's mark दिखा है. Is it on the guy up here?
No.
Is it on Bridgerman? No. I'll just attack Dallas, bro. I should bring my incarnate closer, right?
Yep.
Well, that man doesn't have any physical. Please don't attack my brother. यार किस पे यार?
Just attack Dallas.
It says Devour or Sangar, no? It says. I'm gonna go for Lose. I mean, Dallas.
Dallas will.
Oh, wait. Oh.
You can also do apotheosis.
No, 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 no.
Are you feeling poorly, Dallas? Good. I call
Please
on
tell
the
me it's
God
this.
King.
2 turns?
What? You are...
Friedemann cackles in delight at this turn of events.
You left the leashing wand next to me, you stupid maggot. So accustomed to
Maggot?
him. Do shut up, you tedious buffoon. Aren't you supposed to be the I am Brachus Rex. I am the Source King.
This is not the time for talk.
Too late, you mouldering, light-stained pig.
Little does he know.
You dare interrupt Brachus Rex.
Wait, you pursued?
Yeah.
You were the
Doesn't matter. He's gonna fight it.
Oh, he's still gonna attack. Wait. Oh, it didn't show. Oh.
Alice is gone.
Dallas is gone. No more dragons. Wait, is she back?
The God King hears my. He sends a companion.
Is she back? Is she back?
worthy of
No, right?
to your father.
Can we speak with?
Well, God King sent someone powerful.
I'm going for that guy.
Now you can use an anathema.
Yeah. I'll रोसे का turn में use कर पाऊंगा. Oh wait, the doom is gone.
Yeah, the domes will be.
Fuck. Blackus Rex, Lord Tinder, Lord Gem. I don't see Dallas anywhere.
Nice, yeah. Attack the bone totem. Very nice. Yes, thank you.
Where is
yes.
where is my brother? Where is my brother? Right?
Double click on him. He's right here.
Okay, he's right. He's right there. Please don't cripple him or something, bro. Let me go.
Nice, yeah. Fight within yourselves. Very nice.
He just gave him a backstabbing chance.
Oh, sparking swings. Okay. Very nice. Yeah, I mean, my turret got fucked. Very nice. Well played, guys. Very nice. Lucian, do not do the bullshit. He did bullshit.
Do you have bless? Lose has bless. Do you have dome? Yeah, I will do. Okay.
Do not do con. Yes, how many? 8 Well, we are silenced.
Sai. This fucker, bro. I can't even go anywhere now.
Just attack whoever. Do a whirlwind. You will attack both of them.
No, it's my brother, bro. What do you mean, do a
Oh.
whirlwind?
Well, then just.
Well, I'll go to where I'll get height advantage, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll go closer when I'll get this thing. I'll start attacking them for now. Can I do an arrow spray or something, you know? Reactive shot.
इधर ऊपर आ जाओ ना. Retreat करके.
ऊपर, अरे I don't want to waste my AP. For now, I'll attack Brachus. He's half his. What? Joxy!
Yep.
He's dead!
Yep.
How much damage should he do?
This is kind of an issue.
Who attacked my brother?
The arrow guy. This arrow.
1055 तुम्हारा? Didn't he have more HP?
I don't think so.
He had 4k HP, bro. What the fuck? Wait, well, if you can you revive? Can you revive?
Yeah, I can
Okay.
revive, but I do not know if I have the range for it.
If you can revive him up here, I don't have to waste this. अरे इस राउंड के बाद इसके बाद वो ब्रैकस रेक भाग जाएगा ना
Target
दूसरी
is
साइड
too
पे
far.
doesn't he run over here next or does he
Yeah, he does. अभी revive करके कुछ फायदा नहीं होगा.
I'll dome that dome
Yeah. You are
I'll come close to you. You can roam
No,
here.
no, we can.
Is my incarnate also gone? No, my incarnate is alive. Blood mark is where I can't see who has the mark. Holy shit, I get किसी पे लिखा भी नहीं आ रहा. That is the worst part. At least दिखा तो नहीं रहे हो तो भाई show the signs. Well, either way, I'm going for that guy, Mr. Wait, can Lucy even go up there? Oh, she has to jump up there. She can't
It
climb.
said blood cloud and it didn't give blood. Okay.
इधर का आग कैसे चला गया? How did that fire go over?
There was some cloud.
Am I taking damage? What? Oh, it's. Wait. Am I? इसको knock down किया. Nice. Oh, yes. She's gonna die next time. Please. अरे लोसे का AP चला गया. Oh no, Lose might be dead, bro. Lose is dead, isn't he? Oh, you didn't get hit!
Yeah, we got it.
We have less. I don't have less. Okay. Not bad, but it does. What removes stun? Nothing removes stun. Oh.
She has 80% damage in this Lucy right now.
Wait, though I have to get her moving. She's stunned, bro. I can't let her go stunned.
You should have kept this.
I should have kept what? Wait. Huh?
Less. Do first aid or
None
something.
of these fucking stuff removes stunned, bro. Holy shit. Blinded, terrified, charmed, sleeping, enraged, and mad. Clear, taunted, terrified, charmed, and floored and crippled. There is nothing to understand.
A bless removes stun by thing.
Lose herself has bless though, and my brother has bless.
फिर और कुछ करो. That's not possible.
Should I heal her?
TP this guy back to the battlefield.
Can I? I can't. I can heal Lose.
Then put a dome on Lucy. That will heal. Give
My
us-
dome, I used my dome, no?
Okay.
Can I TP Lose somewhere?
Now, why would you TP Lucy? Do not waste your TP.
I'm gonna go to Brachus Rex now.
Practice Rex will come here.
Huh?
Practice Rex will come here.
Is it this turn or next turn? Are you sure it's next turn? I mean, yeah. I'll just heal her then. Okay, can you give her armor somehow?
थोड़ा जल्दी करो. थोड़ा जल्दी.
Wait, where is he?
Well, he has height advantage over there.
Where?
And he's putting it.
Wait. Where is he? Oh, here. Arey, he came near to my brother, bro. Now he came.
Just almost kill my incarnate.
मैं किसको पेलो?
Salaman ka
Is
HP.
there any guy near us?
Salaman.
Where is he? He's lying down.
Or if you can kill this guy, you can.
Which guy? Arey, now we are going. I'll wait. If I knock him down again, will he get up or?
Can you tactical retreat here? You did not.
I can't. It's on cooldown. I need to revive my brother. Oh yes. The poor of them.
Nice. This guy with 375 HP is just surviving for no reason.
Wait, doesn't she have bleed on?
Yes, he came.
Can you heal Lose, bro?
मेरा टर्न चला गया. Adrenaline था ना.
Oh, wait. I asked.
Either TP or incarnate here. Are you resurrecting?
I'm not gonna TP. I'm gonna revive my brother.
Okay.
Use teleport location. Where should I let him go? I'll make him go here. Can I do healing on him? I can't heal him. I can clear mind him though. Please don't kill him. Please.
I mean, that's kind of obvious that he's gonna attack you.
Bro, there's a guy standing next to him, bro.
Yeah, but he can get a kill off you, right? So why would you attack him?
Bro, he's the only one who can damage him right now.
There's also
Lucy तो भाई उधर पहुंचने तक she'll start taking damage. She might even die right now. He's dead. He's gonna get stunned again. Oh, she persevered. Holy shit. Wait. What? Hello, man. Please don't attack Lose, bro. Please. Do you have any healing that you can do on Lose?
Yeah, I think so. I believe it should.
अबे ये तो फेल ही देगा भाई
Brackus
ब्रैकेट
Rex को ही fail देगा भाई. We're gonna
He's
go.
him. Oh, he's with Brackus.
Ismail an undead guy उससे क्यों poison दे रहे हैं? Let's see. If I do this, I should be able to heal him.
Wait, Lose got the heal?
Yep, I healed Lose.
Wait, who took damage then?
Game I guess, yeah.
Came Sunday? Oh yeah, right.
They are all undead. I'll dome Lose.
Well, अनाथेमा किस पे यूज करो अभी? वो तो मार ही देगा उसको.
Lucian.
No, who will I use it on?
इसको वापस लेना पड़ेगा. ये बंदा तब से डैमेज किए जा रहा है. I can't even TP. Wait, can I? Is there anything dead over here?
There is a guy dead right next to me.
Oh, yeah.
Alice.
Hello sir. बहुत देर से देख रहा था. कैसे हो?
He's floating, bro.
Nice. Yeah, attack him.
I heal.
Yeah, you guys fight each other. Okay.
अरे heal करेगा ये.
Very nice. Ow.
Tell me she can't use.
Yeah, keep fighting.
No!
It's good that Brachus Rex is getting healed, so Lucian का भी HP कमेगा इससे. You attack Ken. Ken को पहलो. Like spawn shit for Ken.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Or should I revive my brother again?
Where you go?
I think I'll revive my brother and put resist death on him this time.
Use this
Oh, I can't do that.
wasting
Fuck.
AP for 2 बार तूने 3 AP waste करने भाई.
Is there a dead body near there? Oh. Dead bodies. Yo. Yeah. Oh, your totems might die. Is that a problem?
I guess. I mean,
Oh, only one of your totem will go if I attack from here.
yeah, do it. वैसे भी एक turn ही रहेगा so. Wait, you didn't do super charge?
अरे सुपर चार्ज के लिए I didn't have it. Well, there goes John C again.
बेकार
ये
बेकार
कौन है?
चाहिए
Oh, finally. अभी लोसे को टर्न दे दो भाई, मार मत देना.
We might die in this.
लोसे को मार मत देना, please. She's low. She's dead. Oh, she got shocked again. Ah, she's dead. My God.
Thank God they are not attacking us.
Stupid, bro.
Please kill him.
Spark strike. मेरे पे कर भाई, yeah, nice.
Thank you. Yeah, fine.
Yeah, bro, I might be dead.
Oh, we are
next
out.
turn, I might
We
die
are
next
out.
turn. This fuck. Nice.
Okay, I can still do it. Let's see, what can I do?
Can you heal me? Or can you revive Luce over here?
Luso
Out of the fire.
अरे इन लोग को रिवाइव करने फायदा नहीं है. They're gonna attack him again. रिवाइव करके बेकार में तुम AP वेस्ट कर रहे हो.
Can you heal me?
Wait a second. Who has a lot of physical? सबका ज़्यादा है. Otherwise, I would have just shifted my. Ken, where is Ken? So far. Can I still do it to Ken?
Luce had mask and stones also. Holy shit. Oh, she didn't. यार अटैक करने का चांस ही नहीं दिया भाई लोसे को.
Can I do it now? I need to be close to him. Are you fucking?
I can't get my internet for another 2 turns.
That was it.
Please die, man.
वो मरेगा तो क्रैकन चला जाएगा बट
No.
oh nice he got cursed.
I can't do shit right now.
You can kill
I can't do anything.
you can kill Brachus
I can't do anything.
Like that.
I can't do shit.
Can you teleport? If you teleport Brachus Rex, he might die.
I am silenced, bro.
Oh. Then just
I'm silenced, shocked, necrofire.
करो enter करो तो कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे.
Should I move out of the fire at least?
You can't move out of the fire. You're gonna die.
How much magic are on fire? 37. I'm dead. Give on.
What is that now? Okay, man. Brachus Rex का HP कितना है?
8 तो
Lord, kill him. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Okay, man. Can you see? Okay, he's gonna attack me too. Why hasn't this guy died, man?
go for Brachus Rex and then you can revive.
Can't revive. Revive कर और फायदा नहीं.
No, go for Brachus Rex, then it will revive. Can you do 20 attacks on Brachus Rex?
No, I want to TP this guy away, so he focuses on the other guy.
You're gonna die if you don't kill Brachus. Next turn.
This is sleeping physical. Might be later. I can get magical. Do I have? इसका कितना HP है? Bodies around me. Well, actually, can I spawn up properly? हाँ, इसका body है ना. That is attack him. Lucian is unconscious. What does that mean?
He's dead.
Oh, that means he's gonna attack me directly. Hello, sir. How are you doing?
You're dead.
Yeah. He's gonna do one more attack.
Oh.
Ken, go and fight the other people. Do not come for me, man. Bhagwan, bhai. Fight him! Salomon, go fight him, bro.
एक 100 HP बचा है भाई. He's 100 HP. Brachus is gone. Nice. Now you can revive.
What did I even do?
Lucian struggles to rise.
No, he died to the fire, bro.
My time is done. But you,
Can you revive now?
your source burns so
Wait,
bright.
isn't
I won't
everyone
be
dead?
blinded by it.
Lucian is also dead, right?
Wait, oh.
Wise and true.
He's talking. Lucian is talking.
Yeah.
Dallas groans in.
Ah, yeah.
Failed.
You think back on your journey here. On
Oh,
all
everyone's
you've
alive.
seen and done.
Yeah.
You think
Well,
of
I
the
was the only one alive.
of the
Okay,
sorcerers
man.
they hunted. And you think of how the Eternals came as Voidwoken to reclaim their. You
Yup.
look at the
Eternals
sorcerer.
were kind of a...
The power is immense. You think of what you could do with some. You marvel at your journey and how it has changed you.
That fight was ass.
It's
bro.
time
Lucy
to
didn't even
choose
get
your
it done,
fate.
man.
Shall you be divine?
I guess I was alive. I guess I should take it. What bullshit is this now? Everyone gets full HP instead me. Shit.
Wait, what did you choose?
Like, you need to choose an option which like gives you divinity.
Yeah, I chose. I chose to get divinity.
Yeah, same. Well, you have 3 party members while I do not have my shield.
Um,
Though I was the one who won the battle for us. Nice.
bro, you didn't get stunned like that. Or don't.
That is true,
Wait,
but
what is this portal? Should I just go through the portal?
I don't think you can. Oh, since I died, it unequipped my shield. The sacrifice कर दिया मैंने.
Still alive.
Bro, attacked? You seriously attacked?
Well, there's nothing I can do, right?
I don't believe that. That is seriously hard. Since that got removed, my skills got removed. Well, कुछ कर नहीं सकते इसका.
Still not showing you have the mark, bro. This is bullshit, man.
I guess I do not have the guides. What was I trying to
खुद को फेल दो भाई, खत्म कर दो.
That takes an evening. Sure.
Bro, really, bro.
No physical, no nothing. What am I supposed to do? Help. Help. Please help. Someone. Can I heal myself? Tactical retreat to the body.
No, I can't see. I do not have any magical armor, so I think. Oh, I can see. Oh,
No? Blue. Are you still fighting over there?
Oh, खत्म हो गया. I'm choosing the option. Fulfill your destiny as God woke and become the new divine.
Wait, did Luce get it or someone else?
तो उसे भी मेरे पास है and this my brother is also near me.
Yeah, like who got that divinity?
Me, Bill Gates.
Oh.
Should I choose fulfill my destiny? What is the option I should choose as a first time player?
Tell me the options.
Fulfill your destiny as God woke and become the new divine. Give the source back to all the people. Release
Come
divinity
on,
into the
give the
world.
source back. Come on, you know what the good option is. One for all, all for one. Nice little cutscene.
Is that no sound or?
Yeah, for me there's no sound.
And so it ended.
Hey,
A
Windigo!
tale that began with my own ill-fated
Really nice
attempt to
game,
rid
not
the
gonna
world
lie.
of the God
Very
Walker.
nice game. If you think
Very
about
bad
it,
last fight.
I mean, you guys got kinda.
When the dust settled, no new divine had risen. Instead, all source was released
Yay,
into the
happy
world for
ending.
all the people and every creature to share. Everyone was now a sorcerer. And united, the peoples of Rivellon pushed back the God King into the very depths of the void. This ushered in a new
By the way,
golden
you know
age
there is
of
Divinity
peace
1,
and
right?
prosperity.
Yeah.
So
But
that is
alas,
a
it
sequel
was
of
not
this
to
game.
last. With many greedy for wealth,
So the ending
power,
we
and
chose
position, the struggle
is
soon began
completely
anew.
not canon.
Source, the very language of creation,
Canon वाला ending
was used
सुनेगा ना?
for violence once more.
दिमाग खराब हो
The
जाएगा.
never-ending contest for power continued.
Canon wala last wala purge
As for
everyone.
me,
नहीं, canon वाला
I was
ending है
freed
to
of the
let
tyranny of the
Lucian
God
be the
King.
divine.
to atone for my sins in this
Hey,
world,
we
I
gave
spent the
Windigo
rest of my
freedom.
days taking care of the sick and elderly. I would tell the story of the Godwoken to anyone who would listen. The
that
story
me,
of the
bro? That's
greatest
me.
heroes Rivellon had ever known. The heroes who chose not to close the veil.
They make it sound like that was bad. अरे Malady is here.
Malady stands
What
tall
would have
and
happened if I
that's
chose
enough. Lots of clashy drums her fingers.
become
All
divine?
that work.
You would
All
have
that
become
effort
a
tossed
divine
into the
then?
gutter like a malformed child. You know
Does
what's
it have another this thing?
Never mind.
And
Fingers will come
cutscene?
over. Looks,
Yep.
Guess take a moment. Relax. Enjoy. I certainly plan to do.
Can we go back and try
Until
that?
we find
Nah.
Or do we have to do it all again?
I'm pretty sure we have to do all of it again. I don't want to. You want to do the fight again?
No? I mean, Lose man, Lose didn't even get a
It's
chance.
okay. It's okay. All of that
I think
Devara
the
armor.
recruitment, she didn't even get a chance, man.
Hey there, Chief. So, a world
The
full
mouse-
of...
Wait, Lucy is talking
What
to me
do you make of
normally.
Let her talk to me. Leave.
I suppose that, though I guess it wasn't all bad. I don't know, but I would get loot, so Chief, I guess this is it, right? Well, I mean, if you want, maybe. I still love you.
As she turns from it,
Thank God you're not listening to the conversation. Can I not talk with you?
Source of all, eh? Time will tell. No, of course, I intend to see
Wait, is Target still selling
This
stuff?
Gustafjan seems to guard portals to their realm.
अब तो mystical दे दे.
One.
अरे अभी भी power दे रहे हैं भाई साहब रख ले.
Gareth Creek. A slight.
So, wait, we are on a ship, right? Didn't our ship die?
It gives me almost as much pleasure to speak
Where
to
is
you.
Melody?
I am at the ready.
My sister.
Oh, it's time to depart. सबसे बात कर लो.
Where is Zahan?
Consider me to be a gift from Melody.
I don't know, but oh, Malady
My
fixed
heart
her.
for you.
चलो,
You look out.
it's time to depart. Ready check, bhai.
The world was at peace, at least for now.
Yay!
At least for now.
Oh, what What the fuck?
Few were
Hey,
as
me?
prepared for
Is
the
that
new
me?
world as the Lizard Kin of the ancient empire. With power spread equally throughout the world, the advantage lay with those who knew how to steal
Force
it.
vampirism.
And at this, the lizards
Hey,
excelled.
that's me right there.
Justinia returns to
Crow
the
armor.
throne.
Oh,
Under her
Justinia.
rule, the Dwarven kingdom prospered, until 2 years later, a jealous lover stabbed her in
Listen.
the heart
Oh,
with a
GG.
mutton fork.
Fucking the dwarf queen died.
Ooh.
With their power returned, the elves reclaimed their
Looks
lands
sick.
from the Death Fog and began to rebuild. Soon they would split as two factions sought power, one to bring back the trees, the other to bring back the scions.
The
Did
dark
we,
elves and the dwarves. Okay.
A dwarven joke did the
did we
rounds.
cut the tree
It
off?
ends with the punchline, so Lucian dropped the Death Fog on them
Oh.
again.
Wait, Lucian's dead? I mean, he's in dead?
Lucian was unconscious.
Only the elven Godwoken could bring the elves together once more.
Oh, shit.
And in a dark forest on the far side of a desert, well beyond the high seas, the Black Ring came together once more.
That guy looks sick, man.
Yep, we are gonna fight him in part 1.
The
Part
island of Fort
Part
Joy,
one, part
the
one.
old redoute of the Source King Brachus Rex, was turned over to the people of Driftwood to use as they wished.
Oh, Fort
They
Joy,
turned it
part
into a
of
holiday resort. Reaper's Coast prospered.
I mean, it doesn't look very prosperous, but
Damn, bro, chill. What the fuck?
The fisheries returned, and the fertile farmlands produced the greatest harvests the
Yay.
surviving farmers had ever seen.
Yeah. If it shows a picture for Lucy, I'll be very happy. But it
Blood Moon Island became particularly fecund, its soil producing the greatest crops.
Lucy
A
has freed
particularly
herself from
crimson-fleshed
adrenaline.
orange grown on the island became a delicacy
Is Malady
across
still
half
mad
the
at her?
world.
No, she said, beautiful darling, how do you do?
Damn. Can never believe
The
Malusi.
black pits took fire. The oil there burns still.
Yes, Black Pit to bhai hatao, game se hatao.
Driftwood became a center of industry, trade, and transport.
ये
Damn,
तो
bhai, the best
educational
items were
video
there.
start कर दिया भाई. What the fuck is
Lohar
that?
the dwarf
Holy
became
shit.
mayor. His
Oh,
time in
he has
office
a
was cut
beard?
short by an
I should have
unfortunate wound
killed him.
that spontaneously appeared on his neck.
I should have killed him, bro.
Your lizard lover from the Black Bull Tavern finally returned to the ancient
It's
Lizard
that
Empire,
girl.
there to found the
Remember
newest and
who's-
most popular of all the houses,
Put assassins
the
maybe
House of Love.
in Act 2. My lizard lover.
Legan left his
The
over-demanding
girl we
wife
were supposed
and
to give the
began a relationship
artifact?
with a
No,
local
no,
bard.
no. The girl who
In the
lured me
spirit of
inside
loving
and then assassins
generosity,
were there
he
to
returned
call
the
off
ring
my
to his
armor.
now ex-wife.
Oh, the
In a fit
lizard.
of rage,
Yeah.
she threw it into the sea.
This is the guy who we recovered the ring for. What the hell is this?
You
Oh.
would never forget Dorothea's kiss.
Arey, she gave.
Dorothea herself
Thank you
left
for
Driftwood
the
for the
idol.
ancient
Thank you.
empire, ever in search
Just
of the
because she gave me the
perfect
idol, I revived
She
and
never
Brachus
found
Rex
it.
died.
Although once or twice
Thank you
she
for
came
your
close.
peace, man. Thank you. Spider lady.
The nameless isle had vanished.
हाँ वो तो तभी हो
Although
गया था.
only open water remained, by instinct ships would steer clear. None of the
It's that
captains could
Bermuda's
articulate
Triangle.
why. Millennia later, adventurers would come in search of the legendary divine city of Arx and the crypt of the great Lucian. None would pass the path of blood.
Looks like we have to play Divinity 1 now.
Sir Gareth thanked the surviving seekers for
Arey,
their
ye
service
bacha hua
and
raha
gave
hai.
them their freedom.
Gareth looks
Disillusioned
dope.
with the rising chaos,
Jesus.
he set out
This
alone
is
to
Starkwind,
find a
bro.
new purpose.
Bye.
He would never
He's a
stop
character
seeking.
from Honkai now.
Young Han went into the theatre
Arey, Han!
and became one of the realm's most popular actors.
I mean,
Bro
he
bought us
excels in
so many
necromancy.
essences, man. Pixie dust. Malusi.
With no new divine, Malady found herself in a predicament.
Yeah.
She had an important problem to solve, but no ally strong enough to call upon. and so her search continued.
She looks fire.
Yeah. अरे
Having
टाक
performed the greatest act of necromancy in history, Tarquin found the
Yeah.
new world unchallenging. He became obsessed with rumors of
Bro
another
looks
plane of
like-
को
existence.
रखा होगा भाई.
One
He
day
looks like
he
Sherlock
vanished
Holmes
and was never
in
seen
a
again.
different era.
He kept Adramalic.
Who that?
With Amadia silent,
Watch peace.
the priestess Gratiana left the swamps and re-entered the world. With more undead
Do you
than
remember
ever before,
Gratiana?
she founded an
Yeah,
abbey
yeah.
in the Dragonspine Mountains, offering them shelter from hatred and fear.
Wow, she really fixed her life. Nice. Who the hell is...
Jehan, the demon hunter,
That's-
found himself at a loose end. So he opened a museum of demonic artifacts. After it burned down,
That's
with Jehan
Jehan.
inside, witnesses claimed that the flames were the color
Oh,
of
it
blood.
burned down with Jan inside?
Lucy doesn't look very
As
scary
the
when she's
forests
not
grew
in
anew,
Devara.
and the elves were equals at last, Sahela shared elven
Sahela?
knowledge of source with the world.
Man, if
But
she
some
removes her
elves
blindfold
disagreed.
right
Yo,
now,
look at the
plotted against
lizard
her.
though. Holy shit.
lizard कहाँ देख रहे हैं भाई? सहेलियाँ दिखा रहे हैं.
Left में.
Chief amongst her opponents was Toby.
You're still there?
Sahela's
You're
own
that behind?
mother.
Are you not? Is your cutscene going fast? Lucy!
Losa returned to her music.
You
and
know this
enjoyed
is
a
coming
storied
now
career
for you.
as Rivalo's
हाँ
premier
भाई.
musician.
Did it not show a few
Okay.
characters for you? I
Would
think
at
it did
times
not
overtake
show
her,
you.
And she would spend
Like daughters.
long
Like
hours
सारे
walking in
दिखाए.
the wilds.
Did it
She
show
always
daughter?
returned with a new song.
Credits rolling, bro.
And then
Okay, I now understand what you meant by lizard. Baap re baap.
you returned to the world a
Looks like I
sorcerer
chose a
among
good
many. Your future was yours to decide.
For my first
Did you
film.
accept
इसको
your new
escape कर दो
status
ना.
with humility?
Marvel जैसा end में कुछ दिखाएगा तो नहीं.
Only you know the truth.
Yo, let's go. Let's...
Only you know if you atone
So,
for your sins.
when I play in this profile, will I have my armor that I... Will it be the stuff that I already had?
Ah, bro, if you do a new game, you won't have your armor. You won't have anything. It's from the beginning.
Oh, it resets.
Yeah. It's a new game completely, bro. चलो. Really nice game, Larry, and I'm gonna skip you. चलो, हो गया, खत्म हो गया.